of Sugar Rush.
Just in time.
All hail our rightful ruler, King Candy.
Hello, my loyal subjects! Have some candy. Thank you for that stirring introduction, Sourville. And thank you to today's avatars. It was a wonderful day of racing. It was. But now the arcade is closed, so it's time to wipe the slate clean and race to decide our new roster. The first 9 races across that finish line will represent Sugar Rush as tomorrow's avatar! Yes, okay, calm down. Listen, this event is pay to play. We all know this. The fee to compete is 1 gold coin from your previous winnings, if you've ever won, which I have. Let me go first.
King Candy! Taffyta Muttonfudge!
Stay sweet!
Adora Beazle Winter Pop. Gloyd Orange Boar.
Stealer. Really kicks that brat.
Minty Zaki. Snow Rainbow. Francis Fluggerbutter. Jubilina Bigby. Swizzle Malarkey. Candlehead.
Sourville, who's that last one?
Vanellope von Schweetz!
I'm in the race!
Vanellope?
The glitch.
Now? No. Everything is all right. Security!
Come here, kid. We're not gonna hurt you, you little freak. Get back here. Slow down a bit. You! Give me back my medal right now!
What is that?
Come
What are you doing?
Can't move. Now we got him. Oh, good. The cops. She went that way. Hold still. Ow! Take that. What are you doing?
Okay, folks. Calm down. Everything's all right. The monster's been caught. We'll repair all the damage. Don't worry. We will have our race before the arcade opens.
And I'm in it. Yes. There's no way that I am racing with a glitch. Francis, Candlehead, come on.
Sourville, that glitch cannot be allowed to race. And bring that thing to my castle.
Guys, she's...